Hey, what's up guys? Mike Leverett here, head trader at True Trading Group, and I'm coming to you day one from Dubai. This video is going to be a little bit more of a general question that I actually have gotten asked by a lot of the YouTube community. You've been following my channel for a while, you know that I frequently do travel and trade from various parts of the world, Dubai being one of my favorites. And I am out here now for this week. I'm going to be trading this whole week in Dubai, and I'll be heading back to the States on Saturday. So I had a couple of members in chat. Oh guys, well, we're getting a sell-off in Boeing here. This is relevant because Boeing is a swing trade idea that, oh wow, Boeing is really selling off right now, guys. There must be a news piece that must have just came out. Boeing now down to 324. Stock really got beat up today on news that they're going to be halting production of their 737 MAX, or that the board was considering halting production, and now we're getting a strong move lower. I got to go back and check to see what the news headline is, but my assumption is maybe that the board just decided that they are going to halt production. Maybe that's why we're seeing Boeing trade lower. Boeing was a big lag on the Dow today. Boeing down like almost 4.5% today. It was a big move for Boeing, and we're continuing lower now after market. But this video is really going to be more about like my trade setup, like how do I set up my trade station when I travel, because one of the beauties about being a trader is that wow guys, we're really selling off. We're down to 322 now. The stock closed at 327 and now we're down to 322. Definitely have this on watch. I think Boeing continues lower for the next week or two. There's a major support level in the low 320s. If we get below this level, you can see a week or two of downside in Boeing that can maybe take us down to 300. So that's something that we're watching in True Trading Group. You guys can keep an eye on that as well for a potential swing trade, maybe 1 or 2 week hold. You can look at maybe some put options 2 weeks out if the stock is too expensive for you guys to short. But I get a lot of questions from people like, you know, how do I carry all of my stuff with me? What equipment do I use? How do I take advantage of, you know, being able to travel the world? Because as long as I have internet, I can work from anywhere in the world. It's one of the beautiful things about being a trader is that I don't need to be sitting in an office. I don't need to go into an office every day, you know, aside from not having a boss, which is a beautiful thing, just kind of working for myself. Being able to travel is a wonderful thing. Now the time difference is a little wacky because in Dubai right now, Dubai is 9 hours ahead of New York Eastern Standard Time. So the stock market opens at 6:30 p.m. for me and closes at 1 a.m. As I make this video for you, it is almost 1:35 a.m. for me. But I wanted to take a quick minute since this is my first day out here and kind of go over my setup and my equipment so that you guys can maybe look and get some similar type equipment. There's nothing special about the equipment that I have. It's not real expensive, high-end stuff. It's very basic. You know, there's some cheap stuff. My travel stuff is pretty cheap. You can get it at, you know, just a Best Buy or any local computer store. So let's kind of go through. Guys, we're down to 321. Boeing is now breaking below that floor support level in the low 320s. Keep eyes on this over the next week or so to continue lower down towards 300. So it's funny that this is happening right as I'm making this video because this is a swing trade idea that we've got going on in chat. So let's talk, guys, real quick kind of about my setup. I've got my laptop, which is the first thing that you want to make sure if you guys are trading on a laptop, you want to make sure that you have a powerful, fast laptop. I have an Asus laptop. Asus are really good for online gaming. It's a lot of online gamers use Asus laptops. It's really what they're for. So they're really, really fast. They can handle the data flow and everything, and I don't really have a lot of problems with trade execution. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a powerful, clean laptop. You want to make sure there's no viruses or anything like that. If you have a trading laptop, I would suggest that you just do nothing on that laptop other than trade. Don't have a bunch of other stuff on there that can potentially slow the laptop down. Okay, so I use an Asus. So if you guys are going to the store and you're talking to somebody to help you out, tell them that you're going to be actively trading. You need something very fast, powerful, and typically gaming laptops are really good for that. Then I have just these little like travel monitors. This is an AOC. It's just a real skinny little monitor. You guys, a little kickstand. You can fold that kickstand down. You can just slide this into your carry-on. You can put this in in a briefcase, and it doesn't really take up much space at all. And it just has a USB plug. You plug it right into your laptop, and it opens up and expands your screen. I usually have 2 of these. I usually have 2 of these on each side, but my other one broke. My second one broke. So in the meantime, I've got this monitor, which is just a smaller screen. This is an HP monitor. Again, guys, real super thin. It has a base that snaps right off, and you can fit it in your basic carry-on luggage, or if you have a full suitcase. I would recommend, covering your stuff. Like maybe you might want to wrap your monitors in a towel or a piece of clothing or something. These travel ones that come with their own cover. I don't have the cover here with me. It's somewhere in my hotel room, but they come with their own little nice soft cover that can protect the monitor while you are traveling. So that's really it, guys. It's nothing special, and then I just use a basic little earphone piece to talk to everybody in the True Trading Group chat room when I'm going through the day, so I can still communicate with my group and everything. We can go about the markets and do our thing and trade. So I wanted to just make this quick little video, kind of show you guys my setup, show you guys the equipment that I use. Again, there's nothing special about any of these brands. These are basic equipment that you can find at any Best Buy or any computer store. Just make sure, again, that the only thing that really does matter is your laptop. You want to make sure you got a real strong, powerful laptop, and then your little, small little travel monitors do the trick. And that's really it, guys. And I can take this with me anywhere in the world. Right now I'm out here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The weather is absolutely perfect, a lot better than the New York weather. I'll be out here trading for the week, and then I'll be heading back stateside for Christmas and New Year's to spend some time with the family. But it's a beautiful thing, guys, being able to travel and trade and not having to worry about putting in vacation days and everything. So it is definitely one of the major pluses of being a consistently profitable trader. And I wanted to share with you guys my trade and travel station. So I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions about trade stations or about equipment or anything like that, just comment below. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet already, and hit that notification button to make sure that you guys don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys in chat. Tomorrow's TGG Tuesday. The chat room's open free for everybody. So make sure, if you guys want to join me in chat, I'll be trading from the other side of the world, but the chat room's open free for everybody. Go to truetradinggroup.com, click on the upper right-hand corner. It'll say TTG Tuesday. Fill out the form and register, and you'll get an access link that'll give you entry into our chat room for free the whole day. Chat room opens up at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time, closes at around 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll be in there as well as the rest of the TGG fam and the other TGG moderators to walk you guys through the day. So come join me, say what's up. I'd love to hear from you guys from the YouTube community. I'll see you guys in chat. Take care.